Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, I am back with the new video. Welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I'll be showing you a stunning look that highlights the natural beauty of your eyes with a perfect blend of colors, shimmer, and definition. Whether you are going for a bold, glamorous look or soft, elegant style, this will guide you to enhance your eyes with the precision and creativity. From priming to the final touches, follow this video or the best tips and tricks to make your eyes the focal point of your makeup. So, are you ready to transform your eyes game? So, please grab the brushes, sit in front of the mirror, and start trying this makeup on your eyes. I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel, like my channel. Do tell me in the comment section that which video you like the most. Allah Hafiz.